warning for Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Wayne, or 13 miles southeast of Darlington, moving east-southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Rydot, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneto, Orangeville, Leroy, Damascus, Lake Lackawanna State Park, McConnell, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee, and Stephenson County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.